I hope you're doing well. Let me ask you a simple question. What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Do you check your phone? Do you drink water? Or do you try to sleep again? We all have a daily routine, the small activities we do every day. And if you want to speak English fluently, you must learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. In today's lesson, we'll learn easy daily routine vocabulary, simple grammar structures, natural dialogues and conversations, practice exercises to help you remember. This episode is for beginners, A1 level, but even if you are intermediate or advanced, you can still learn new expressions and practice fluency. So, are you ready? Let's start our day together in English. Sunny.
A daily routine means the regular things we do every day, usually in the morning, afternoon, and evening. In English, we usually use the present simple tense to describe routines. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. She goes to school at 8. They have dinner at 9.
Let's begin with morning activities. Repeat after me if you can. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Get up, to leave the bed. Example, I get up at 7:15. Brush teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Example, she brushes her teeth every morning. Wash face. Clean your face with water. Example, I wash my face before breakfast. Take a shower. Have a bath. Clean your body. Example, he takes a shower after jogging. Get dressed. Put on clothes. Example, I get dressed for school. Have breakfast. Eat food in the morning. Example, we have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Now let's look at afternoon activities. Go to school, go to work. Example, she goes to school at 8:30. Example, I go to work by bus. Study. Learn at school or at home. Example, the students study English in the afternoon. Have lunch. Eat food in the middle of the day. Example, I have lunch at 1 p.m. Go shopping. Buy things from a shop or market. Example, my mother goes shopping on Saturdays. Meet friends. Spend time with friends. I meet my friends after school.
Finally, here are evening and night activities. Come home, return to your house. Example, my father comes home at 6 o'clock. Do homework, schoolwork at home. Example, I do my homework in the evening. Have dinner, eat food at night. Example, we have dinner at 8 o'clock. Watch TV. Look at programs on television. Example, they watch TV after dinner. Read a book. Example, I read a book before bed. Go to bed. Lie down to sleep. Example, I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Let's quickly look at grammar. We use the present simple tense for daily routines. With I, you, we, they, use the base verb. Example, I eat breakfast. With he, she, it, add s to the verb. Example, she eats breakfast. Negative form. I don't eat breakfast. He doesn't eat breakfast.